Here we go. Walk them down. Bang, bang, step into it. Bang, bang, extend faster. Where's the speed at? Last day of camp. Bang, bang, there we go. Turn the back foot, there we go. Hit them, aim. Right down the middle. Right down the middle. Right down the middle. Back to my guard. Up. Shop. You need movement. Oh, see? Movement. Where's the movement? Bro? Good. Good. Where's the movement? Ooh, you let me that close to you. Terrible. Whip it. Shop. There we go. Up. Where's the up? Good. Need that footwork. There you go. Good. Right down the middle. Shop. Good. Middle. Good. Aim. Up. Good. Shop. Good. Again. Shop. Good. Move. Balance. There we go. Make it pop. Body shot. Shop. There we go. Shop. Body shot. Shop. Faster. There we go. Put it together, bro. Bang, bang. Too short. Again. Shop. Too short. Move. Double it. Shop. Move. Shop. Good. Up. Bang, too. Shop. Body shot head. Shop. There you go. Bang. Soft. It ain't long knee. Up. Balance. Teep. Up. In his body. Visualize. Whip. Hotter. There we go. Beautiful. Hey. 2 times. Shop. Give me the knuckle. There we go. Visualize. Shop. Control that feet when you leave. There we go. Watch that elbow. Shop. Move. There we go. Give yourself room. Switch faster. Nice. Shush. Good. Oi. Break. Here. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Break. Breath. 4 breaths. 4 breaths. That's the goal. After you do your pads, 1 breath, 2, 3, 4 breaths. Then you should be back to normal, back to ready to go. Good? That's the goal. You do fight count. That's how you test to see if you're ready. My cardio is ready. Can I go back in 4 breaths? Ready? Here we go. Go. It's only light work. Take that number 2 then. Shop. Visualize it. See it. Breathe. Up. There we go. Breathe. Stop. Step into it. There we go. Walk them down. Good. Bang. Body shot. Head. Body. Good. Faster on it. Good. Light. And then bang. Hey, how good. Oh, you surprise them with it. Hey, how good. Teep. She up. Light on the feet. How fast can I get it up? Hey, how. Ooh, that's slow. Hey, how. Speed. Visualize. Look at the target. Hey, how. That's it. Oh, I'm a good head. Hey, how. Good. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Yep, let him run into it sometime. Yep, Teep. Good. Very nice. Step back and feel on this side. Good. Not bad. Not bad. Up, good. Not bad. Teep. Breathe. Breathe, Tito. Hey, up. Hey, up. Up, stab it. Hit it harder. Up, grab and three. There we go. Again. Up, grab. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I mean, break. When you step in and grab. Hard knee. Make it a habit. Sheep. Hey, I'm good. Can I get up faster? Hey, can I get away after? There we go. Look at the target. Yeah, look at the target and get it back. Up, down. Just in case he try to grab it. Hey, there we go. Break. Sit, Leo. Grab water. Relax the body, all right? Relax the body. It's just. There we go. Hey, I'm good. That's done. That close range work. That close range work. There we go. That close range work. Good. Careful. Boy. Hey, I'm good. Right in his body. Hey, I'm good. So visualize he jabbing. When I step forward, visualize that he jabbing and you left kick. You time it. Half a step back. Boom. Visualize. Hey, up. Get him back. Breathe, Tito. Hey, up. There we go. That's definitely going to work. Because he's trying to jab. Jab, and you time it. There we go. Good. Jab. Ooh. Ooh. Study. Sharp. Sharp. Visualize. There we go. Right down the middle. Right down the middle. Up. Good. Up. Good. Sharpen our sharp. Strengthen our strengths. Up. Good. Strengthen our strengths. Up. Sharp. Good. Up. Good. Teep. Up. So set that left kick up. Boom. Boom. Then switch straight hand to kick. You know what I'm talking about? So wham. Now he's scared of it. Wham again. Now you think you boom. Boom. Sorry. Whop. Let's relax again. Switch as fast as you can. I'm good. Now fake it. Straight hand body kick. Fake it now. Whoop. Now straight bang and out. Yes. Now he's up. Again. Hey, I'm giving yourself room. Hey, I'm good. Now fake it. Pop. Hey, I'm good. Again. Hey, I'm good. Hey, I'm good. Now get it. Pop. Hey, I'm good. Up and down. Hit the spot. Hey, yes. Look at the target. Visualize his ribs. Visualize his ribs. Fake. You only got a split second to get it in there. Too slow. Hey, that's it. Yep. Hey, I'm good. You hear that, Pop? Because you stepping and swinging. All right? Don't try to make the power. It's going to come because you're doing it right. Teep up. Very nice. Hey, up and down. Hey, breathe. Breathe. Hey, Stop. Up. Oh. Fake hook knee. Up. Tee, that'll work too. Good, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, tee, up high. Break, good work.